Welcome to the first ever packing video of the dorm. Clearly this is the setup. Hopefully we like it. As y'all have seen from like the dorm vlogs and everything, this is my room. I can't really see what y'all can see because my screen's so tiny and the camera's so far away. Also, I apologize for this angle. I didn't bring a tripod to college because I'm not very smart. Here's my beautiful closet. We are going to Austin this weekend. I have a long weekend at school, so I was like, you know what? We're gonna do our Sibs trip. I know we didn't do one this summer because, well, I was just a little bit busy. What I've done is we have our closet. I don't know what to pack, unfortunately. Well, like I do, but we don't have a list. I didn't make a Notion document this time because, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So 4 days. I talked to the Sibs. We said that we weren't really gonna do any jeans or anything. I am, however, going to take my jorts, just like for going out on the town. I'll have these, so these are definitely going to come with me. And then we're doing a lot of like water activities, so I don't want to take too many like sweat shorts. I will take one pair, it's my Target pair, but that's already over there. And then I will also take this as like a swim, as my swim trunks for the trip. Because I know we're probably going swimming and also tubing. Should I just take both? Okay, I have 2 pairs. I'm gonna take, do I need to take both? I'm currently going to put out both and then I'll reevaluate the situation. And then I'm also going to pack, okay, one thing I need to wear on the way to Austin. Then, wow, this is really hard. Okay. Hold on, where's my phone? We have an itinerary. I just didn't make the Notion. Where's my phone? Oh, right here. Okay, I need 2 pairs for Saturday. I'm gonna take my, I need something green and black. So I'm gonna take my black aloe shorts and just this like green workout shirt from Target. I'll take that. I like wanna take my UTSA merch, but like, is that like sacrilegious? I don't know. Okay. Since I will be in Austin, I will take my Love on Tour shirt as a little homage. I actually haven't, aside from like newspaper and stuff, I've never done an actual like fun trip in Austin. So I'm excited. I'm just gonna pair it with my gray Hollister 5-inch shorts. Yeah. Then Sunday is when we're going tubing. So I'm gonna take this just as like a swim shirt for both of the days. I think I'm just gonna take 1 pair and I'm gonna take these little popsicle ones because I think they're very summery. And then I'll take a change of clothes because I hate, with everything in me, I despise wet clothes. So I need to take a change of clothes even if it's just for the car. So I have my sweat shorts and I will take just like my Jackson Hole t-shirt. And then this can go back. For my Lulu shorts, I will take, do I want to go darker? Do I want to go lighter? I could go simple black tee. I could go rowdy shirt. I'll take this. It's like my little pink Hawaii shirt. Oh, okay. I feel like that'll go good for like summer vibes. And isn't it like you can't wear white after Labor Day? I think that's actually one of the stupidest rules ever. And then to pair with my jorts, my classic camo. I'm just gonna take this. And then I guess all I have left is, I'm not taking any jeans or anything. I'm just gonna take sleep clothes, undergarments, and then I'm literally wearing my Crocs on the bus, and then I'll take my Hokas with me, and that's it. So I guess pretty quick pack with me. I'll show you all my Crocs and my Hokas. Here are the Crocs, super simple, they're brown. Here are the Hokas, these are the Arahi 8s. I don't know if it's focusing, but these are my two on foot options. And then for crossbodies, I think I'm just gonna take this black Old Navy crescent bag, the one I had in Orlando and everything. I'm gonna take that. These I'll put away. And because I've become kind of a hat person, I'll take this black dog hat that I got as a grad gift from Shireen. Then my toiletry bag, I actually just keep it all packed up. So anytime I need to leave, I have everything right here. So yeah, all that's left is really just undergarments and putting everything in the bag. I'm taking a large backpack as well as this medium-sized, actually kind of small duffel. It's what I used to use as a gym bag, but I realized that was a little bit overkill. So now I just use my regular backpack. I feel weird about, I feel like I'm not taking enough clothes. But it's literally one weekend I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. Sorry, y'all can't see me, can't you? I'm literally going for a weekend, like Friday to Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days. And I'm taking 5 sets of clothes, which is great. 1 for every day. I'll pack 1 more because I'm me, just in case we do go back and stuff. I'm just literally, it's not gonna be a nice outfit. I'm taking a black Old Navy t-shirt and these Old Navy shorts. Okay, yeah. And then 1 outfit for swimwear. If I have space, I'll pack my other one. Yeah, okay. We're good. Trust, we're chilling, all's well. So I guess I need to figure out how I'm gonna pack and like where I'm gonna time lapse. Ooh, I feel like I have a really good setup. Ooh, whoa. All right, what time is it? It's only 11:46. Y'all, it's so early. I think so what I'm gonna do after this, I'm gonna edit another vlog because I've been on my game with YouTube, I have to say. And then after that, I'm going to do a class online because my professor's not here. I have an interview, and then I'm gonna do my homework. Okay, now that I'm fully packed up in terms of like my clothes, I'm gonna clean up around here, around like my dorm. What's it called? Yeah, I am going to clean and do my class and everything, so I'll be back in a little bit. Yet again, I have forgotten to end a video. I don't know why. It's just like the second I'm done filming like the meat of a video, I'm done. But thank you all so much for watching this pack with me. I am editing on a new app, so let me know if you can notice a difference, because I think I can, and I really like it. But let me know, and then come back next week for the Austin vlog featuring all of the Sibs. It was so much fun, and I can't wait to show y'all what we did. And yeah, see you very soon. Peace.